Hello kids, welcome to Dikshu Kids channel. How many months do we have in a year? 12 months. Which is the festival of the light? Diwali. What is the shape of cricket ball? Round. How many letters are there in English alphabets? 26. How many colors are there in the national flag? 3. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird. What is cheese made of? Milk. What is the color of the sky? Blue. What is the baby of the dog called? Puppy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.